Our story begins in the Roaring Twenties, a period known for jazz, flapper dresses, and the dawn of modern technology. This era also saw the birth of a revolutionary idea, television. But this wasn't the TV we know today. The world's first TV was a mechanical wonder, invented by a Scottish engineer named John Logie Baird. Baird was a visionary, obsessed with the idea of transmitting moving images. In 1925, after years of experimentation, he succeeded in transmitting the first recognizable image. It was a simple outline of a human face, but it was a breakthrough that would change the world. So how did this mechanical television actually work? Unlike the electronic TVs we have today, Baird's invention used a spinning disc called the Nipkow disc. This disc had tiny holes arranged in a spiral pattern. As it rotated, it scanned an image line by line and converted it into a series of electrical signals. These signals were then sent to a receiver, which had its own spinning disc. When this disc rotated, it reconstructed the image on a small screen. The result? A low-resolution, flickering image, but it was a moving image nonetheless. It was nothing short of magic in its time. In 1926, Baird gave the world's first public demonstration of television. The images were faint, ghostly even, but they were moving images. People could hardly believe their eyes. Baird's television could only display a resolution of 30 lines. Compare that to today's 4K and 8K screens, and it seems primitive. But back then, it was cutting-edge technology. Baird continued to refine his invention, and by 1928, he even demonstrated color television and stereoscopic 3D TV. It's incredible to think that the foundations of the technology we use every day were laid nearly a century ago. The mechanical television didn't last long, as electronic television quickly took over in the 1930s. But Baird's work paved the way for the future of broadcasting. Without his pioneering efforts, who knows how television might have developed? Today, we take high-definition screens and streaming services for granted, but it all started with those flickering images on a mechanical TV. It's a reminder of how far we've come and how quickly technology can evolve.